Okay,
My
so
mom also need money.
the question is for the fourth question, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is
For the first question, I don't know how to do, but I use algebra.
use algebra. Okay,
Yes.
let's see.
And I got the answer, but I don't know how to do it.
Okay, so
I don't know how
let's
to use.
go to
I
your
don't know how to do it without the algebra.
V additional work. Okay, this one. So we talked about the compound interest just now.
Yeah.
So done,
Yeah.
consider done,
Yeah.
Question four. Question four is pretty easy. Okay, so the total cost of 3 adult ticket and 1 ticket is 29. So the total cost of 1 adult ticket is 19. So find the cost. So basically 3A plus 1 is 29 lor. Then 1A plus 3C is 19 lor.
Yeah.
Okay, does it make sense to you?
Yes.
So what you need to do is you can use the calculator and straight away get A and C, or you use the what substitution. How do you solve simultaneous equation? This is a simultaneous equation.
I use algebra.
Yeah, so how?
No, algebra I use. Can you go to the? Wait, let me take out my paper.
Oh, your paper is here.
Yes. I'll take out my paper.
Oh, okay, I saw it just now.
Yes.
So,
It's like make X.
yep, got it.
The adults or the children? I forgot.
Okay. Hold on, we'll download is the scan. Okay, actually, you don't need I think from now onward you need to start to use the simultaneous equation way of solving question, because your this one sometimes can be very limited. Limited means can't solve certain questions if it gets harder. So for this, okay, by the way, this is called simultaneous equations.
Yes.
Simul equations. So you have equation 1, equation 2. So there are two ways to solve this.
3a plus 1c equals to 1a plus 3c plus 10. Is that similar?
Okay? So this is equation 1, equation 2. So as long as you have two equations, can you see you have two equations here?
Yes.
And you also have two unknowns. What are they? A and C, right?
C, yes.
Okay? So two equations, two unknowns, then you can find. Okay? So now, how to solve this? I'm going to teach you to use substitution method. So how do you use substitution method? So what you do is you use from 1. From 1 means this one lah.
Yeah.
So can you see that 3a plus 1c is 29? So therefore 1c is equal to 29 minus 3a, right? Right?
Yes.
So therefore 1c is equal to 29 minus 3a. So therefore can you see your c is here?
Yes.
So you just put your this entire thing into the c. You sub in. So therefore you get 1a plus 3. Now your c is no longer c, but 29 minus 3a
Yes.
equals to 19. So you continue. This one you times, you get 87. Then you times in, you get minus 9a. So you just solve algebraically. So this is minus 8a. Then you bring the minus, you bring it over, becomes minus 87. So minus 8a. Can you help me out a bit? I don't use my brain.
Negative 68.
So in a way, your a is equal to, so 68 divided by 8 lah.
Divided by negative 8.5.
So basically your a is 8.5. So once your a is 8.5, can you see? Your c is equal to this. So c is equal to 29 minus 3 times 8.5.
Yeah.
Can you help me out?
3.5.
Oh, the answer is 3.5?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically that's how you get your a and c.
Yes.
Okay, by substitution. Okay, so this is the way to solve this kind of simultaneous equation.
Yes.
Okay, so that's it. You get the same answer?
I guess so.
8.5, 3.5, Let me see.
13 dollars.
8.5, 3.5, 3.5. Okay, good. Yep. Yep. So next. So question 6 done. We
Yeah.
talk about compound interest already. Then 16.
16 is
Each.
16A is I do in the page.
This one is good. 108 is good.
Yeah.
Then what? We talk about what is the reflex, what is the obtuse, what is the
Yes.
acute, right?
Yeah.
So PED, where's PED? PED is here lah.
Yes.
Okay. So what I see is this is 90.
Yes.
This
Then
is 108.
Yes. Then you add together.
Add together is 360.
Yes.
So yeah, 162 is correct.
Yeah.
This is correct. 162. Then this one obtuse PAR. PAR is PAR, which is over here.
Obtuse is 243. I wrote the wrong thing. I changed it
Okay, so 243. 为什么243呢？
because I use
72 and 72.
360 minus 117. I got 117 by 360 minus 108 minus 190. Minus 190.
Hold on. Can you explain to me how do you get the 70? Like your steps.
For which obtuse?
Obtuse. This one.
PAR.
Which one is 75? Which one is 45? Okay, this one is 45. I know.
Yes.
Then where do you get the 72 from? You are talking about.
Yes. Because over there, EAB is also one.
Which one? Which one?
EAB.
EAB.
B.
This
Yes.
one?
Is
108.
108.
Yeah.
RAB is 90.
RAB is 90. Correct.
And then PA.
This is 45.
45.
Correct.
Then 360.
Yeah.
You minus
Yeah.
90 minus 108
Yeah.
minus 45.
Yeah.
Then you can get
This one, right?
this the whole thing.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Okay. Then the ERA lah.
ERA.
ERA means this small one.
Oh, ERA.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's an isource. ERA. This is a isource triangle. So you just need to find out what is this one.
Yeah, minus
Then divide by 2.
2. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So this one is 90 degree plus the.
No, it's not
Oh,
90 degrees.
45 plus. No. It's 45 plus this thing.
Yes.
Or 90 plus the 72. Yeah. Yeah.
You divide by 2.
Yeah.
Yes.
So. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
That's it.
No, there's one.
Next. How do you get this
This question.
cheese?
I don't know how to do. I don't know what is the word of cheese.
No, first thing, what is this figure called?
It's called
We talk about cylinder, right?
yeah. It's like
And then we talk about cuboid.
yes.
Then we talk about cube. And we recently learned one more figure. Prism.
Prism.
How do you decide whether this is a prism or not prism?
If it's like it is straight.
Yep.
What's that called?
Yep. Uniform.
Uniform.
You have a uniform area.
Uniform.
Right?
Yes.
So can you get a uniform area out of this?
No.
You cut it this way?
It's not.
No. Then what about you cut it the other way?
Yes, the slice
Yep.
cut is uniform.
Yep. Oh, like this, right? Basically, you cut it this way, you
Slice,
get a
yes.
you get this shape throughout, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So therefore, this is your base area,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And then which one is the height? H is the height.
Height.
Okay? So they give you the volume is 100. So that means What's the volume for a prism? Is base area
Base area
times height, right?
Yes.
In this case, the base area is this piece of thing,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So therefore, how do you find the area of this
You
piece of thing?
4.26 cm. So it's 100 cm. 100 divided by 4.26. Then you'll know the area of the base area.
No, I want to find the base area. How do you find the base area?
So because
This is 42 degree.
yes.
So basically, can you do it now? So can you show the height is actually 4.26? So this is the kind of question you will expect from your term 3 or term 4. So can you show the height is actually 4.26? You get the base area out first.
But Mr. Lu, for the edge is a circle, right?
What are you talking about? I asked you to find the area of this piece of thing. What you want to find? You before you find anything, you just give me the area of this piece of thing. This thing. I call this a pizza slice. You give me the area of this pizza slice. How do you get the area of this pizza slice? Any idea? I don't need you to show me this. You just give me the area of this pizza slice. How? It's 42 degrees. Any idea?
Wait.
Okay, there is a concept you need to learn. Actually, you have learned, but you never.
Do I have to like cut the
This is the concept you
area?
need to learn. This is the ACM, right? The radius.
Yes.
So how do you get the area of this? You just ask yourself,
You find for edge.
42 out of 360 degree, what is the fraction of this pizza slice of the whole thing?
Oh, okay. I know
Okay.
how to do it now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So this is
So
that concept.
area of a circle. Pi r squared.
So what's this? answer. What's the answer? Quick. Hmm. Wait, you have been taking so long. You just have to use pi r square and this is 8 square and then you just key this into your calculator. What make you spend so much time?
One four zero point seven
140.74.
point 74.
Okay, good.
Yes.
100 divided by this. Because this is the base area.
Yes.
Because the base area times the height
Yes.
is equal to 100. So 100 divided by this, that will be the h. 100 divided by the answer. Hundred divided by this, what are you doing?
Zero. 0.71.
Let me show you how I will key in. And I will spend less than 10 seconds to figure out this. 42 divided by 360. Stop using the fraction. Just use 42 divided by 360 and equal. Okay? Stop using the fraction. And what you do next? Times 3.142.
Yes.
Okay? Times 8 times 8. That's it. Your answer is,
23.
you see? I don't know what you key in. And somehow you spend so much time and you get the wrong answer. I don't know what you have key in, okay? That's the way to key in. Okay? Stop using the fraction. So basically it's 23.46. And then what I do, I just take 100 divided by this. So I just take 100 divided by answer. Done. 4.26. Why you spend so much time and you get the wrong answer? Well, you could have key in like me. Can you key in one more time by yourself? Key in the way I key in, okay?
42 divided by 60.
Just get the answer first. Just get the answer
Yeah.
first. Yep, good. Then continue to key in the rest.
Equals times 23.46.
Then it's just 100 divided by this. And then you can show that h is actually 4.26.
Yes.
Okay?
4.26.
So that's how you show 4.26. 4.26 for the H, which is your part A. Okay? Next, calculate the total surface area of the wedge. So basically, how do you get the total surface of this thing is depends how many surfaces are there. So how many surfaces are there for this piece of thing?
6. No. 5.
5, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I see that okay, this is 4.26 already, given by part A. So I see this is called my left and right. They're the same thing, right?
Yes.
So I just take 8 times 4.26 times 2. Done. Top and the base is the same, right? So top and base. So the top already found out just now is 23.46,
Yes.
right? So 23.46 times 2, right? So the last piece of thing is the side one.
Yes.
So how do you get the side?
The side is the
This
full
one.
circle.
This one
Yeah.
times the 4.26. How do you get AB, by the way?
AB is the whole circle, then you divide by 42 over 300.
Correct. But the whole circle is you want to find the perimeter of
Yeah,
the whole
the
circle.
perimeter.
So basically it's what? 2 pi r, right?
Yes.
Times the 42 over 360.
Yes.
Can you key this into the calculator? By the way, this is 8. I teach you how to key in already. Can you key in the same way? So this is your AB. So write down the answer. I just want to key myself just to verify. 5.86. Write down. Okay, good. So how I will key in is 42 divided by 360. I can do this one first,
Yeah.
Then I times the 16, 2 times 8, then times the 3.14, 2. Yep. So it's about 5.865.
Yeah.
Okay? Then of course you take this AB, you times the 4.26. So this will be the area of the side. About 99 lah. So you just have to add this, add this, add this. That will give you the total surface area. That's how you get this question done.
Yes.
And by the way, this question is just I would say it's just a taste of the kind of question you are going to get. Right? It's just a taste. This is not the hardest, but you have to know how to do this before you can tackle the harder questions. If this one already stops you, then you have no hope for the harder questions. Okay? So you must make sure that you know how to do this. I will say this is the intermediate one. This question is the intermediate. Not the basic, but intermediate. Okay? So make sure that you know how to do this question. Okay? Then you can tackle the harder questions. Okay, last one. Did you bring your compass and whatever?
Yes.
Yep, so please 21. Did you do this question?
I did.
Okay, good. Let's look at it. Okay, looks good. So
Because I didn't print out the paper, so I tried.
yep, sure, no problem. Just get it. So so basically you just measure lor.
Yeah.
So measure, then you have AB, then you have the BC, just measure. Okay, so once again, how do you get, okay, this perpendicular bisector looks good. This one looks good. And you should extend it out. Once again, you never extend it out. That's the problem. Why you stop at here? Why you don't extend it out? Do you know why you need to extend it out?
So that it can be clearer.
That's why, no. You extend it out and you extend it out so that you have a meeting point of these two. And that will be your R. That's why I keep asking students, you don't just
Stop there.
你这个好像是错 Do you know why your this but okay, your this one also looks wrong. Never mind. Let me just demo this question quickly to you. Bring your paper.
Yes.
I just want to do it on your paper. Okay, can you connect the pencil to it? Then I quickly just show you. It's okay that you make mistake during the tuition, so make sure that during the real test you don't make the same mistake again. That's what we want to achieve. Good. Okay, good. So first, where's your paper? No, where's your this paper?
Right, okay.
Yeah. So I just do it on your work, so that I don't have to retrace. I don't have to redo the package. Okay, good. So for the perpendicular bisector, I'm supposed to see 1 point here, 1 point here. 1 point, if you 1 point here, that means both top and bottom. So 2 point give you a line. 1 point cannot give you a line. Do you know why? Let's say if I have 1 point, how many lines you can get?
A lot.
A lot. That's the reason why you need to get 2 points.
Oh.
You link it up. When you have 2 points, you only get 1 line. Because you need to make sure that you link these two up. So there is, if you just 1 point, this is also a line, this is also a line. So that's the reason why I say perpendicular bisector, you need to show me 2 points. You only show me 1 point. So what you are supposed to do, perpendicular bisector of this, right? Can you put this aside first? Good. So, at least more than half. Get yourself an arc here. Get yourself an arc here. Okay? And come to here. Get yourself an arc here. Get yourself an arc here. Okay, so looks like I have to make a bigger arc. So can you see I have 1 point here, 1 point here? So I'm going to link it up. Too short, never mind. Just make sure that you have a long ruler. You have a long ruler? Thank you so much. So as you have this, still not long enough, So never mind. So sometimes I have a long ruler here. Here and here. Okay. So it shows yours is wrong, because yours is
A little bit tilted.
is tilt here and here.
Yes.
So it's off by quite a lot,
Yeah.
not a little bit, quite a lot. So in a way, you have to extend it out. So, okay, extend it out. Okay. Next, angle bisector. I think your angle bisector also a bit off. Let's see. Let's here, here, and after that I'm supposed to get it here. Okay, too short. Never mind. So just get it over. So it's here, right? Your angle bisector is quite accurate. So your angle bisector is accurate, I consider it accurate. So you extend it out, correct? And then you need to extend it out.
That's why the meeting point is.
Yeah, so intersection point. So that's your R. So what this R means is
So that it can be easier.
R is equidistant to your point B and point C.
Yes.
And at the same time your R is equidistant to your this BC and AB. Okay? So you have to extend that.
Yes.
Okay? Good. So that's how you get. So your perpendicular bisector is what?
Yes.
You need to get 2 points,
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that's how you get this question. Okay? Last one. How do you read this thing? Did you read it correctly? Did you read this correctly? Okay, let me tell you how you are supposed to read this one, in case you read wrongly. Okay? So you this one is yours. This one is yours. Okay, later you check your item before you go. Okay, good. How you read this is this. Average speed is total distance over total time. So what's the total distance here? So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. You see 4 regions.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just, or 4 stages. So the first stage is 4 kilometer. For the second stage is 4 to 8, so it's 4 kilometer. For the stage 3 is 0 kilometer because no movement. From 8 to 8, no movement. So then for the stage 4 is 8 back to 0, so it's 8. So the total distance is actually 16. Did you read it correctly?
Yes.
Okay, so the total time is 60 minutes. But for the speed, look at the unit they want.
Yeah.
So they want kilometer per minute. Okay, fine. Just use kilometer per minute. So 16 over 60.
Yes.
Did you use 16 over 60?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you just simplify, then you get the answer. Find the distance traveled in the first 24. So this is the thing. (24) is somewhere here, right? So basically you need to find this point. What is this point? Right? You cannot say, oh, 6.4 or 7.
Yes.
You need to be accurate about it.
Yes.
How?
You. The way I did is I from 10 minutes to.
Actually, you just make use of the gradient concept. Never mind if you if you do it wrongly, it's okay. You need to use the gradient concept. Basically, you just find out what is the
Gradient.
equation of this line. How to find the equation of the line?
X to.
This is 30 and 8.
Yeah.
This is 10 and 4.
Yes.
So what's the gradient? 8 divided by 4, 30 divided by 10, right?
Yeah.
So it's 4 over 20. So it's 1 over 5.
Yeah.
Okay? So now, this is the y equals to mx plus c, right?
Yes.
So I have the gradient equals to 1/5. Okay? What I need to do is I just put in one x and one y into it, then I get my c already.
Yeah.
So I put the x inside
X.
is 30,
Yes.
right? This is 8, right?
Yes.
Okay, but now they want the 24, right? Can you see they want the 24 ma? 24 ma. So I need to find out what is this So it's 24, what is my y right? So the y in this case is how much? Okay, so basically we need to find the c first. So this is 30, I'm supposed to get 8.
Yes.
So my c is equal to,
8.
c is equal to 2.
Yes. 8
So therefore, this is 2
Yeah.
And all you need to do is you just sub your 24 inside.
Yes.
So y equals to 24 over 5 plus 2. So what's the answer?
Calculate.
Yep, calculator please. Yeah.
6.8.
Yeah, so the answer is 6.8. Did you get 6.8?
No.
So that means you have done it the wrong way. Yeah, you have done it
Oh,
the
I
wrong
got
way.
6.8.
Okay, then how do you get 6.8? Can you explain to me? How you get?
So I take 4 km because 8 to 4, 4 to 8 is 4 km.
Yep,
and
correct.
That's 20 minutes.
Correct.
So you find the minute.
Correct.
per
Okay, yep,
km,
got it, got
Then
it.
you just times 40 minutes.
Yep,
And because over there.
yep,
is
24 minus 10, yeah. Okay, yep,
So
good.
6.8.
Okay, good. But you can also use the gradient concept.
Yes.
The y equals to mx plus c format.
Okay.
Okay, good. So, that's it for this. Question 20 Did you do question 20?
No, it never appeared.
Okay, never mind, you can try now. Never appear.
Never appeared.
Oh, okay.
For me,
Oh, okay, never mind.
there's a blank page.
Okay, 20.
I don't know
Can
what.
see it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Equation of the line. Ah, good. I just did a similar question just now.
Yes. The equation of the line.
So the equation of the line follow y equals to mx plus c format lah.
Yeah.
So you just have to find your m and your c lah.
Negative y equals to negative negative 8 y is 0. M equals to 5 over 8.
No, they want the.
Y equals to 5 over 8
Mm.
over x plus c.
Yeah, so basically you should get y equals to 5 over 8x plus,
C.
which is 5, right?
Yeah, 5.
Because this is the y in the
Yes,
side.
yeah.
Okay, good. Then how do you answer the rest?
5. Then x is equals to then y is also equals to 5.
No, how do you answer this question too? I mean question part B.
Part B.
Yep.
Oh,
This is the answer.
yeah.
This is the answer for A.
Yeah.
Now B already.
The line is parallel to PQ passes through the point 4.
So let's say 4, 5 is here. So basically if you want to
It's a
draw.
parallel.
Yeah, parallel.
So it should be
So something like this.
yes.
I don't know whether it will cut through 0, 0 ah. I just assume ah. You understand me or not?
Yeah.
Ah. So you need to find out again. So maybe I just yeah. So let's say this one. Yeah. How do you find this point?
We know x is 4. Divided by 8 equals times 4. Is it? It cannot be 7.5.
Okay, so another line is a parallel. What is the meaning of parallel? So meaning another line is y equals to Parallel means same gradient.
Yeah.
I don't know the C.
Oh,
Okay?
because
Then now,
it's not the same.
you have the 4, you have the 5, right?
Yes.
Sub it in. Then you get your C. So, what's that?
Y
5.
5 equals to 4.
Right.
C, yes.
So this is 2. So this will be 2.5. So C equals to 2.5.
Yeah.
So therefore the this point should be 2.5 lah.
Five,
So that
yes.
means
So it's 2.5.
this point is 2.5
Yes.
for the y lah. So if they ask for the coordinate of the y-intercept, so that means 2.5 is here
Yeah. X
and 0 lor.
and 0.
Okay? That means 0, comma 2.5. The y-intercept value is 2.5, but the coordinate is 0,
Zero.
comma 2.5.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is a very common question also. Okay?
Yes. But my brain just didn't go through.
Yeah, good. So the next one is about the this one is about the unit. Unit is about length lah. So the we have not talked about the length first. But actually I can give you a taste of the length.
Yeah, next week I have a test.
How come you still don't have the
A home. What?
how come you still don't have the revision material if you have the test?
No, it's not. It's only teacher give us one.
Oh,
For
okay.
to check our understanding
Ah,
of this graph thingy.
okay, good.
So yeah, we are gonna have a
Yeah.
test. So I think it's quite a good review.
Yeah, good. So, what if you get a line like this? And usually a line is given by 2 points, right?
Yeah.
A line is always given by 2 points.
Yes.
1 point will give you many lines. That's not what you want. So let's say this is 8, 5. Then this is 0 and 1. Okay? So how do you find the length of this thing? Okay? So have you learned this? So what's the length here?
The length.
5 to 1 is 4.
5.
Right? Right?
Yes.
What's the length here?
8.
0 to 8 is 8, right?
Yes.
So in order to find the length here, you use the Pythagoras theorem if you have learned before. If you have not learned before, please learn it today. So if 8 here, 4 here, your this h, let's call this the name h. So it's 8 square plus 4 square is equal to h square. That's how you get your h. Okay, so never mind. Let me continue. So it's 64 plus 16 equals to h square. So this will give you 80, right?
Yes.
So your h is equal to, so 80 equals to h square, so h equals to square root 80 lah.
Yes.
You give yourself the 3 decimal places. I don't need you, but what I want you to know is to find the length, this is the method to figure out the length on this x and y. Understand? So it means in order to find the length, always form a right angle triangle. Because when you form a right angle triangle, so it can be like this. Then you just turn it around. How do you find the h? So let's say this is 5, this is 4. So it's just 5 square plus 4 square equals to h square. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay? So this is 25, this is 16, then this will give you 41. So h square is equal to 41. So h equal to square root 41. Use your calculator just. Okay? Simple?
Yes.
So this is something that is a bit, I will not say it's out of your syllabus, but it's a bit more advanced. Okay? To find the length of 2 points. Every length of 2 points, you make use of this right angle triangle. Okay? So if there is something you want to write down for this, is this. Once you form a right angle triangle, this is the base, this is the height. So this C is always base square plus B, the height square is equal to C square. So this is something you need to remember. It only works for right angle triangle. So this is something probably you want to write down. So next time if you ask for the length, then you can find the length.
Okay. I'll write on this paper. Then later at home I can transfer.
Okay? Okay? Okay, so with this, then we can conclude the day. Yeah, I have one blank page. So I realized for this extra questions, right? For the extra questions, something new is the how to solve simultaneous equations, substitution method. Then compound interest, something new. Then this one, you managed to do it. Very good. This one, prism. Okay. Then this one, the part B. Then this one, make sure that you're perpendicular bisector. Okay. Then for this one, you get it right. Okay. Actually, for this question, actually, I'm not sure if I've talked about it. The sum of interior angle,
Yeah, you told me before.
you know, right?
Yes.
Then what about sum of exterior angle? It's always 360 degree. Okay? It's always 360 degree. Yeah.
So it's like the outside that's our exterior angle.
Oh, we talk about what is exterior angle and reflex already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, if you talk about the pentagon,
Yeah. Then you go up. That's
oh, so this is the internal, right?
Yeah.
Interior, right? So it always form a 180
yes.
with the exterior.
Yes.
So 108, right?
Yes.
So this is 72, right? Right?
Yes.
Exterior is for 72, right?
Yeah.
So you have 5 interior. So that means you have 5
Five
exterior lah. So one of them is 72, right?
Yeah.
So 5 times 72 will give you 360.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, the sum of exterior angle for all is 360. It's just the way it is. Okay? Yeah. So if you ever get this, then it's 360. Okay?